Hi, I'm Amok.
Hi, I'm Sayan and welcome to the MRF Wandererr show.
Yeah, and just like you guys, we too love taking our vehicles out on the weekend. And before you go on any trip, you need to be well prepared.
Right, and today we'll not only give you a few essential tips, but we'll get you up close and personal with the true Wandererr.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we have the one and only Virat Kohli in the house.
Woo! Before we call our captain here, let's knock something out of the park. So Amok, which is that one thing you carry along with you every time you travel with your friends and family?
I'd have to say my cell phone.
Cell phone. Amok and his Candy Crush saga never ending.
It's for maps, alright? For maps, for navigation. So if I ever get lost, I know how to get out. And also, I download the offline map. So if I ever get caught in a low network area, I'm covered.
Well, I'm like a little old school in this regard because I have this diary which has all the important landmarks. So whenever required, I ask people. Yeah.
Sayan,
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
These are all dhabas.
They are important for me.
Like, why don't you get like normal landmarks and get snacks?
Snacks, I carry snacks, tons of it in my suit holder.
So whenever I'm hungry between dhabas, I just unzip, grab a snack, easy.
Yeah, that's a good idea actually for someone with a massive appetite. And just like you can't go anywhere without your suit holder, I can't wander anywhere without my iCard.
iCard.
Yeah, an iCard because this iCard has my contact info, my blood group and my allergen info. And this is the info that can save lives in case of emergencies.
Mama, what's my blood group? B positive. Okay. No, it's just for emergency. Don't worry about it. Come on, yaar. B positive, ma. Bye.
Ho gaya?
Yeah. Now I'll make my ID card. Oh, yeah.
Let me introduce somebody who needs no identification. The true wanderer himself. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Virat Kohli! Hello.
What's up? What's up? All good.
Thank you so much for being here, Virat.
Honestly, I was going to a jungle safari, but apparently the exotic mammals are right here.
Where?
Let it be. It's fine. But it's damn cool that you get to go on these random trips, man. You're such a busy guy.
You gotta do what you love, and going for a drive is a great way to unwind.
What's the one important thing you need to do before you take off?
Me, my playlist, man. I need to get into the groove while I'm driving.
Great. And what's your favorite trip song?
My favorite song is Tu Hi Re by Hariharan.
I love that song. Let me sing that for you.
No. Well, this was mad fun, Virat. Thank you so much for being here.
See ya, and happy wandering.
So here's got one for you. A joke.
Okay. Why did the motorbike go home after a hard day of work? Because it was too tired. I'm sorry. On that note, it is time to end this week's show. Time to go home. Thank you so much, Virat, for being here. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much. Hello and welcome once again to the MRF Wandererr show. We hope you guys had a fantastic weekend. We know we certainly did. We went on an incredible road trip.
And I managed to lose my way only twice.
Yeah, that's not something one should brag about, Sayan, but he's right. He does know how to get lost.
Well, that's my talent, bro.
Yeah, and if you want to figure out how to get out of tough situations on the road,
With the help of Virat Kohli.
do check out our travel diaries.
Where's the vehicle?
Dude, I've made the most important decision to find the right tire. These are the new MRF Wandererr tires with symmetric tire pattern, free rolling features. It is apt and it is going to give you the all-round performance for both dry and wet condition. Now you, my friend, can pick any vehicle for them.
So let's see which vehicle we can take.
Oh, no. This one.
Okay. I mean,
Okay, fine. This one. We have to take this one.
you like it.
Yeah, I like it. This is good.
I really like your choice, though mine's better.
Sayan,
Yeah?
do you know where we are?
Yeah, I think so.
You have no idea, don't you, Sayan? We've seen that tree.
You're getting a call.
Oh, it's Virat. Hey Virat, how's it going?
Hi guys, what's up? How's the trip coming along?
Yeah, the trip's going great, yeah, but I think it's going to take a little longer than expected because Sayan here took a wrong turn And instead of figuring out what the right way is, we decided we should just drive around in circles.
Boys, I would completely advise against that. That would cause drivers fatigue.
Isn't that what happens when you get really tired after driving for a long time and then you go into a micro sleep and then your reflexes start getting slow?
Absolutely. And that may lead to accidents.
Accidents? Oh, that sounds terrible. I think we should just stop somewhere and take a nap. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, stop every 2-3 hours and take 15 minutes power nap. Do some basic body stretches on getting up and you'll be just fine.
Yes, indeed. Sleep is the solution to every problem.
Yeah, you just need an excuse to sleep, don't you?
Chalo guys, bye. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye, thank you.
I hate that look on your face because that look tells me that you have no idea what we're doing or where we are. Do you know what turn?
Took the left.
You have no...
But I took that
I'm just going to
second
call
left.
Virat. Hey Virat, what's up?
Hi guys, how's the trip coming along?
Yeah, it's coming along fine. The trip is fine. I'm fine. Sayan's not.
Why? What happened?
He's got us lost again. And because he's got us lost, the sun's going to set now. We're going to lose our way again. We're going to have to drive at night.
Ooh, I like night drives. But you need to be careful about the light zone.
Light zone? Is it some kind of a restaurant? Please tell me, I'm starving. Please, where is it? Where is it?
Sayan, it's not a restaurant. What happens is when you drive at night, the range of visibility is limited to the range of your headlights. So you have to drive at a pace that's good enough for you to brake in time so as to not hit anything directly in front of you. That little distance, that's called the light zone.
Exactly, so drive carefully boys.
Yeah, I'm driving, so don't worry.
That's exactly why I worry. Anyways guys, gotta go now. Take care.
Bye, see ya.
Bye Virat. Chal, we'll use maps. Chal. And that's how Sayan made our life miserable on the trip.
You mean exciting?
Yeah, your life is going to be exciting now that you've put a dent on our vehicle.
Not my fault, tree's fault.
Well, we'll see. Anyway, it's time to end this week's episode. Catch us again next week right here in the studio where we'll be back with Virat Kohli.
See you next week. Bye.